this potato, this one that you used to fry in your kitchen, this one you used to boil to eat stew, this one can make you a millionaire in this year 2026? Do you know? Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? Welcome to 2026. Yeah! Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Happy New Year to you all. What a great year. This year is going to be much more greater than 2025, okay? And that's why I'm here with another beautiful, amazing video for you guys. And in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can make money from selling potato flour. Do you know that this potato, this one that you used to fry in your kitchen, this one you used to boil to eat stew, this one can make you a millionaire in this year 2026? Do you know? So if you want to know more, please don't skip this video. Stay with me as I take you through the step-by-step process of how to process potato flour with ease and make cool money, guys. Make real money, make nice money, make enjoyment money, guys. So stay with me, okay? So let's jump right into the video immediately. I have my knife here and I also have my grater, and I'm going to be using the both. But first of all, I need to use the grater to peel off the skin from the potato. Why am I using the grater first? Because it makes everything fast and easy for me. When making potato flour, you want to ensure that you peel your potato very fast to avoid discoloration. So right now, I'm going to use my knife to continue the peeling because my grater is not sharp at all. Now I'm done peeling off the potato. You can see how neat my potato is. So the next step is for me to start slicing my potato into very, very tiny pieces. The reason why you have to slice your potato into very tiny pieces is because of the fermentation process. This fermentation process cannot be skipped because it's very important for your potato flour. This is what makes your potato very, very fluffy and very easy to swallow. After slicing it, you soak your potato into a bowl of water for 3 days for fermentation. This is the 3rd day after fermentation, and I'm about to put this potato flour into my dehydrator to dry. You can see how soggy it is. So this is my 16-tray dehydrator. I'm going to be using this 16-tray dehydrator to dry my already fermented potato. So I'm going to start spreading it tray by tray. Like I said, this is a 16-tray dehydrator. It means that we have 16 trays inside this dehydrator. So I'm going to start spreading the already fermented potato step by step. Please do not load one tray. Just spread it out in all the various trays available in your dehydrator. So now I'm done spreading the already fermented potato in my dehydrator. So I will now close it up and I will allow it to dry for 8 hours. So the temperature that you use in dehydrating your potato flour is very important. You can see in this video, please take note. 60 degrees Celsius. So the drying process is already completed. So this is a sign that your potato flour is well dried. When you break it, you will hear a sound. So right now we'll start packing all the potato flour in a bowl and we'll prepare for grinding. So guys, I'm about to blend this. So these are two machines that you can make use of. You can make use of the spice machine. This is the spice grinding machine, but I'm not going to use this today. I'm going to be using another machine, which is my big industrial machine. So this is the machine I'm going to be using today. For those of you that don't have this, you can go ahead and use the spice blending machine or spice grinder. So this is how the machine looks like. It's a complete industrial machine, guys. So this is what I'll be using. So this is for mass production. So guys, I had to break the potato down with this big industrial grinding machine. So I will still go ahead and transfer this potato flour into my spice grinder. The reason why I'm transferring it into my spice grinder is because the dust is so much. The speed of this industrial grinder is so much. So I had to transfer into my spice grinder so that this spice grinder can do the rest of the job, can smoothen it out. So if you don't have a very big industrial machine as a beginner, you can start with this spice grinder. As you can see, I'm done grinding. As you can see, the powder is so smooth. So this is what the spice grinder does for you. So right now I'll go ahead and transfer my already blended potato flour into my sieving machine. Guys, this sieving machine is a lifesaver. Okay, so instead of using your hand manually, you can use a sieving machine, but as a beginner you can go ahead and use your hand to sieve. Cassava. So now I'm done sieving my potato flour with the help of my powerful sieving machine. Guys, if you need the sieving machine, we have it available in store. So place your order for it, send me a DM and I'll give you the details, okay? So this machine is a lifesaver, guys. So if you don't want to waste time,
just go ahead and get this machine, or you make use of your kitchen sieve. Now I'll go ahead and start packaging my potato flour into my well branded pouches. So I'll go ahead and seal the top of the well branded pouch material. So here you have it, your potato flour is ready to hit the market. Thank you for watching.